Well, today we kickstart a new market for zero-emission fleets, becoming the first organization in Washington, public or private, to roll out a battery electric heavy-duty truck built right here in Renton. The truck behind me, and isn't this a beautiful rig? The truck behind me will be one of the first in North America to be operated by a waste management agency, and if this truck performs well for our solid waste division, and given Kenworth's reputation for reliability, I'm real confident that it will. Then we have the potential to accelerate the critical transition to commercial trucks powered by electricity.
It's also the responsible choice, particularly considering the cost-benefit analysis, which estimates that this battery electric truck, as it operates between our Enumclaw recycling and transfer station and our regional landfill in Maple Valley, will actually cost less to maintain than our traditional diesel tractor trailer.
I'm really excited about this announcement today because it illustrates so much of what is actually needed to find solutions to the climate crisis. Solutions that cut air pollution, create good paying jobs in our communities, and address equity. So while this announcement is just about one truck, it is a very big deal. It's a big deal because it addresses the single biggest source of pollution, greenhouse gas emissions in our state, the transportation sector.
Beautiful ride, very quiet in the cab, smooth operation, and it's got some giddy up.
The nature of our work requires us to move a lot of tonnage every year across King County. The use of diesel fuel is really not the optimal approach, and so the opportunity to get into this zero-emission heavy-duty truck, allowing us to still move all that waste but do so without the environmental impact, is an important step towards our carbon neutrality.
Kenworth Renton and its employees have a major role to play in our efforts to provide new zero-emissions battery electric vehicles to the marketplace. This plant is a home base for all Kenworth Class 8 EV production in support of our customers throughout the US and Canada. The Kenworth T680E is a result of thousands of engineering hours and major investments in tooling and handling equipment for batteries and electrical components.
This helps us meet our climate goals for the government, for our entire community, and it helps show the way for the rest of the country and the world. We are advancing the technology that is going to help us work our way out of this climate crisis.